Shri, ask Mithai to wear these shoes. What happened? Why are you silent? Wear these shoes. We'll dance together.
Sister Shri, we have many guests at home. Please go and attend them. I will wear those shoes. Hey, why are you touching my feet? No, 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 no.
Just
Why
keep
are you
your mouth
touching my
shut,
feet?
Mithai. I'm really very pissed right now.
Torsha,
It's okay.
drink it. You'll feel better. Come on, come on.
Extend your other foot.
What?
Give me the other foot. Get up. Look, Mithai, I know you're having a problem with balancing. You leave everything to me. Just hold me tight while dancing, okay? Mithai, you can't afford to lose your balance. Do you understand? Mithai, we'll go on the dance floor as a team and dance. Grandpa's team. Okay? What happened? Why are you so quiet?
No. Lord is showing me the world from such height for the first time. I'm seeing for the first time. It's okay. Let's go. Will I be able to walk? How will I get there?
You have completely lost your brain. Sister Nanda, do you know Rudra is too tall? I just couldn't manage to dance properly.
Oh Lord. What is it that just happened? Is Mithai awake or is she dreaming, oh Lord? What did grandfather's grandson do to me? How much more can Mithai control herself, oh Lord? Mithai's heart is getting crushed. What should I do?
Are you feeling unwell? Do you want to drink water? Why are you so nervous? Your Lord Gopal helped you, didn't he? Relax. Relax, Mithai.
Is the party over? Am I coming late? No, brother Som. You just missed the amazing performance of Sid and Mithai, that's all.
Means I'd heard that Mithai could dance very well. But I witnessed for the first time how good a dancer she is.
No, Rudra. I don't know this kind of dance. It's because your friend had held me tight, or else.
But Mithai, it was a lovely performance. Siddharth sir always dances with Tosha ma'am. We enjoy seeing them also. But this time, it was marvelous. Am I right?
Exactly, brilliant.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, everyone, let's move on to the next dance. Okay? Sandy? Shom is here. We can't let him escape today. And also, we need some rest. Shom, the stage is all yours. Come on, guys.
Yes. Brother Som, come on.
No, Shom, come on.
Come on.
Hey, why me? You guys
Yes,
continue.
yes,
Why
please,
me?
please.
You
Come
have
on.
to dance today.
Please, yes,
Come on,
please.
come on, drag me. You have to do
Not
it.
hear
You
any.
just don't seem to pay any attention to me today. As if I can't dance at all, Sid. I just can't tolerate the fact that you are ignoring me. I will also show what kind of a dancer I am.
Tess!
Wait here. Let me check.
What do you mean?
I mean, let me handle this.
What are you saying, Mithai? This party's thrown for me and she is my friend.
Please talk softly. Please talk softly. I said I'll handle it. Today, the way Torsha ma'am was staring at you while dancing with Som, everyone has realized her motive. People are making fun of her behavior. That's why I'm asking you to stay here. I will handle it. Please make way for me. Please make way. Torsha ma'am. Torsha ma'am. Torsha ma'am, open your eyes. Brother Rajiv, we need water here. We need to sprinkle water on her face. Torsha ma'am.
Yes, I'll take care of it. Yes.
Stop.
Uh.
I will take care of it. Mithai, we need to take Torsha upstairs. We can. Hey, Shri, Nipa, please come here. Let's carry her upstairs.
I don't know what happens to Tess at times. It seems that she has totally lost control of herself. I don't know why she's doing all this.
Sister Nanda, here is the water.
Sprinkle some water on her face. She'll be better. Everything has got a limit, Mithai.
What has happened to me? Where is Sid?
Outside. Actually, you were too drunk. That is why you lost consciousness. Before that, you did a horrible dance performance as well. You probably were out of your mind. Actually, you were not in your senses. Hence, you did something like that. At least, that's what we have concluded.
Sister Nanda, listen. What are you saying? Torsha ma'am.
Can you please tell me where Sid is? I'm really feeling dizzy and I've asked my driver to go back, so I need him to drop me home.
Tosha ma'am, this is lime water and this is the medicine. You might have a headache after some time, so this might help. Sister Nanda, please ask Siddharth to come here.
What's the matter, Tess? Is everything okay? Are you feeling dizzy? The rest of our colleagues have left. They asked me to inform you.
Okay. Can you please drop me home? I'm not feeling well and I've asked my driver to go back.
You're bound to feel unwell. You can't blame your body. And especially now, you're bound to feel even more unwell. Isn't it, Tosha? Sid is here after all. Mm. Rudra,
Yes?
I was asking that you're going back home.
Yes.
Wonderful. So why don't you drop Tosha at her home?
What?
Actually, you know what? If an officer of ACP rank drop Tosha back home, then we can be free of worries. Right, Sid?
No, I'm not understanding. Why you all of a sudden. Well, I think it's better to do what she's suggesting. Do you have any problem dropping her home?
No, but why should I have any problem? But will Torsha like to travel in my car? Actually, my car is not that comfortable, Nanda. That's why.
Can I say something? Tosha ma'am, do you need some support?
No, Mithai. I'm here to help. I'm here. I'll help her.
Sid, I can go on my own.
Tosha ma'am,
Hey, ma'am, stop. What happened? Sid, you don't worry. I mean, I'll handle the rest.
Nanda, what did you do? Hmm? No, I mean, I know that Tess has behaved abnormally, but that doesn't mean that in front of everyone.
Don't try to defend Tosha at all. Just don't. Just a while ago, you were angry with Tosha yourself. You danced with Mithai, you made her wear stilettos, and now you're criticizing me. Do you know, today everybody was laughing at Tosha because of her antiques. Sid, we all know that Tosha doesn't consider you only as her friend. But that doesn't mean that in front of everyone she will forget her manners. That's just not right. Shameful. And how dare she call Mithai illiterate? Tell me? What is she herself? Does someone become educated just by having a couple of degrees and knowing etiquette? Does she really need to drag Soam to the dance floor and dance with her? All of us present there could understand that she was dancing only for you. And you? You didn't say anything to Tosha. If Rajiv had done something like this, well, for today, even Rajiv will also have to pay the price. He will learn the lesson. Mithai? Just don't let Sid go anywhere, no matter what. Or else the consequence will be bad, I've warned you.
No, I mean, hey, what are you trying to say? Nanda? I just don't understand. How will Mithai stop me? I mean, what have I done? Mithai, why are you laughing? Why are you laughing, Mithai?
It was a delight to watch grandfather's grandson get scolded. I'm very happy. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Mita is very happy today.
What nonsense. Has Nanda lost her mind or something? You tell me. Was Tess in her senses when she was dancing that I would say something?
Would you say anything if she was in her senses? She was staring at you while dancing. She was dancing for you. You must have liked her performance. Tell me the truth.
Tell me something. Have you all lost your minds? Huh? No, I just don't understand. Why should I like Tess's crazy behavior, Mithai?